Hello, my name is Sandra Giovanna Forero Gonzalez. I study a master degree in psychology. I belong to the city of Bucaramanga and I live in Bucaramanga. I chose the Big Bang Bunny video. It is about respect, tolerance, and coexistence. In the video, uh, the Big Bang Bunny beholds the beauty of nature. He likes to smell the flowers and see the butterflies. In the forest, there are three animals that are very harmful. They attack some butterflies and hit the bunny with fruit. The leader is the group is a flying squirrel. It is very bad and hateful with the animals of the forest. It hits the birds and kills a butterfly in front of the rabbit, and it feels fear and then they attack him with fruits and seeds. The rabbit tries to fly but react and does not allow them to take him out of the forest, and so he organizes a plan to show of them how bad they have been without hurting them. Finally, the rabbit could contemplate nature and life quality. This animated short film shows the story of Bunny or GAC, a big rabbit. It is a friendly and peaceful animal. He shows the other animals how to live peaceably with nature.